Hello friends, welcome to our channel TechMart. So friends, hope you all are safe in your home in this pandemic situation. So friends, today I am going to tell you about IBM WMQ Publish Subscribe. So friends, publish is a sender and subscribe is a receiver. So friends, publish subscribe is an asynchronous messaging paradigm where senders, which is publishers of messages, are not programmed to send their messages to specific receiver, which is subscriber. Rather, published messages are characterized into classes without knowledge of what subscriber there may be. So friends, the provider of information is called a publisher and the consumer of information is called a subscriber. Publish subscribe messaging allows you to decouple the provider of information from the consumers of that information. The sending application and receiving application do not know to anything about each other for the information to be sent and received. So friends, we can say that the publisher and subscriber do not know each other while sending a messaging to each other. They don't need to know about each other, who is the publisher and who is the subscriber. They just need to send the messages to each other. So friends, here two type of MQ messaging style. One is the point to point and second is the pub sub. What is point to point? The point to point style of messaging is built around the concept of message queue. Messages are stored on a queue by a source application and a destination application to retrieve the messages. Now, what is the pub sub? In publish subscribe, the application agree on the name of a topic. The producer of a message is known as a publisher and the message is labeled with a topic. Here topic is the main string in the publish and subscribe. The consumers of a message tells WMQ that they are interested in a topic and each is sent a copy of the relevant messages. So friends, here is the publish subscriber system. In this figure, we can see that one publisher and one queue manager and one subscriber. A subscription is sent from the subscriber to the queue manager and a publication is sent from the publisher to the queue manager. This publication is then forwarded by the queue manager to the subscriber. This is showing the publish subscriber system. So friends, a typical pub sub system has more than one publisher or more than one subscriber or often more than one queue manager. An application can be a publisher or can be a subscriber. So we can use multiple publisher and multiple subscriber in one application. So friends, here so friends, in PubSub we got few resources that we need to clarify over here. So what is the topic? Topic is the main resource used by publish and subscribe function. It can be predefined or it can dynamically defined as an application subscribes to it. It is really up to the development of the application. What is subscriber? It is something predefined but they can also be done dynamically from an application program. Resource to relate the application to a topic. Now publication. Publication is quite simply a message put into a topic. So friends, topic is a simply a text string with a hierarchical structure such as like a slash price, slash fruit, slash apples, or you can say slash banana, slash mango. Any fruits you name you can give here. This is just an example. So a subscriber might use this topic exactly or subscribe to topic with a wildcard so that there is no need to know all the topic that might be used by the publisher. So friends, a for topic we are giving one string, like you can say in this string we are giving a integration node name, integration broker name. We are giving this with a hash sign. So hash sign is nothing. Hash sign we are giving just as a flow name. So you can give any flow name here, like a dollar sign, then sys slash broker slash integration node slash integration server slash flow name, or you can give instead of flow name you can give hash sign. This is the topic creation string. Then broker, software within the queue manager which handles pub sub and queues. Without using queues, we cannot send messages from one application to another application. This I already explained you in my previous videos. Queue is the only way through which we can send the messages and we can interact the application. So queue series of predefined queues used by a broker. So friends, hope you enjoyed my this video. In future, I will share with you more videos. So thank you and kindly subscribe my videos, like and comment. Thank you so much and stay safe, stay happy. Bye.